Misty. I'm so excited to ask you DTF Printing's 10 questions here at getmytransfers.com in Porter, Texas.
Sure, come on in.
How'd you get your start in the apparel industry?
I worked in the oil and gas industry for about 20 years, and I was just getting to where I was really unhappy at my job. And my husband, he worked in the apparel industry, and he was telling me about, some places he saw, some different craft stores in like Louisiana and different areas, and he wanted me to go check out. So we went and looked at them, and I said, yeah, this looks perfect. Try a new side hustle, and it turned into what it is today.
What types of clients do you have?
We cater to the DIY craft market, people who use silhouettes and crickets, and also screen printers in the area.
Do you have DTF technology in-house or do you outsource?
We actually have it in-house. Come take a look. We're running the Coldesi 2-head, and then we have a Mamaki TX300 2-head.
What's the biggest challenge with DTF?
I find that the biggest challenge is the printer maintenance. Having to, you have to be very technical when it comes to these printers. You got to know the ins and outs, and just know how to work on them in general. So if you're thinking about getting a printer, make sure that you're willing to do all the work that's, it requires.
What's the biggest benefit?
Coming from printing on a Roland VersaCam and the sublimation printer, I find that the biggest benefit with DTF is the versatility of being able to apply it to all colors, any type of garment, and there's no weeding or anything involved, so you cut the time in half.
What's your number one tip for others entering this space?
I would say the number one tip would be to do your research. Research what printer you're going to get. Make sure you're ready to work on them. Don't just jump in without doing any type of research on it. And, if you can, hold off on buying a printer. Use someone local in your area. That's really probably my number one tip.
What's one thing you wish you could change about the DTF space today?
Printers lowering the pricing, like a race to the bottom. It really hurts the market as a whole.
Where do you see DTF technology in the next few years?
I feel like it's just going to get better and better. Maybe better consumables, better inks that don't clog the heads as much, better powder, and maybe even faster machines.
What's your favorite part of your job?
I really like when we get new customers that come in and press a shirt for the first time, just to see, how empowered they are and how excited they are to make a t-shirt.
All right, one final question for you, Misty. What's your most used emoji?
The laughing face.